Hi guys, my name is Robert. We've got no Racquel today, but this is just a quick unboxing as us in the UK are lucky enough to get our A7IIIs early. So quickly, here we go. First things first, we don't need the extraordinary big knife to unbox. Out of the way. Alright. I got this shipped out today from Park Cameras. So let's see. We've got some bubble wrap. Let's do this now. Ooh, there's so many. Sealed and everything. Right, so we have the usual gump, instruction manual, guarantee documents, inside. Box is slightly smaller than before. We have the strap, and what's in here? We've got power cable, UK power cable, and we've got a European power cable as well. And this side we have the charge. Oh no, the charging brick, man! It didn't give us a charger. And we also have a USB cable and the Z battery. Yeah. And finally, last but not least, the camera. Let's give it the box for a minute. There she is. Here she is. The A7III. Looking really nice with that joystick. Extra button, record button. And so guys, I've got a bit of work to do. So I've got the MC-11 adapter, and I've also got the Metabones adapter. This is the 135mm. I'm going to do quickly just for size. This is the 55mm 1.8 Zeiss. I'm going to stick her on and see what she looks like size wise. And that's alright, yeah. Very similar as before. Slightly a bit more bulkier. You've got a bit more room in here, a little bit more room in here. I don't have a problem with the room here. Yeah, I've got 2 SD card slots and battery compartment. I'm gonna power it up and set up in a minute. I'm just gonna show you a quick size to size comparison. This is the A7S2, and they literally are more or less the same. So you see it's a little bit bigger, but not much. It's not really, you know, that much difference. It's a little bit thicker, you know, but all in all, it's very similar to what I'm used to. So it's nothing new for me, just more autofocus points. Yeah, so that's it really, the quick unboxing. All the gumph. I've got Sony, no external battery charger like with the A7S2 and A7R2. You have to charge it in body, which is a bit of a pain in the butt. So I'm gonna have to order a separate charger. And yeah, that's it. Guys, thank you very much.